Hey, what's up YouTube? What's going on? How you guys all doing today? In today's new video, what I'm going to be talking about is compression-based back pain. So in the previous video, I was talking about extension-based back pain, so I thought it'd be only natural to follow up to compression-based back pain. And this video is for anyone that may be dealing with compression-based issues or may not be familiar with compression-based back pain and just looking to be educated on the topic. So when I'm referring to compression-based back pain, I'm talking about injuries such as an endplate fracture or a schmorl node. So when we talk about an endplate fracture, we talk about the ends of the vertebrae here that may become fracturing, or there may be some microfracturing. That's in the case of an endplate fracture, and that's just caused by repetitive loading of the spine. Commonly see this happen in powerlifters, but in the case of a schmorl node now, if you take the disc, it may herniate upwards instead of your classical posterior lateral disc herniation. So it's actually herniating upwards into the end plate, and that would be a schmorl node. So those are your common types of compression-based issues that may develop, and they are normally caused just by repetitive loading, like I previously mentioned. So continuously loading the spine up with a lot of heavy weight. So people that do a lot of squatting with heavy weight, or maybe a lot of deadlifting with heavy weight, where the loads on the spine are very high, they eventually could cause issues like that to develop, especially if proper rest periods are not taken or put into implementation. And the symptoms that people may experience with regards to compression-based issue is simply loading of the spine. So loading up the spine, that may trigger one symptoms to occur, or maybe activities such as running or jumping, high impact activities that may involve a lot of stress on the spine. Those can maybe trigger symptoms in individuals as well. So those kind of compression-based issues in a bit of a nutshell. And like I kind of mentioned before, powerlifters are kind of the type of athlete that is more prone to these types of injuries. But at the same time, you could have other individuals that maybe are just recreational lifters who are doing a lot of loading and just maybe aren't ready for that stage, or just are not properly preparing for their programming, and they're doing too much loading in a period of time where their body cannot adapt and allow for proper recovery to occur, and then they may get those end plate fractures occurring, and they may lead to something like a schmorl node developing, and then they may get some sort of compression-based back pain. So just wanted to cover that in this video because I previously talked about extension-based issues, so I thought I would just make a video talking about compression-based issues for anyone that may not be familiar with the topic, or is just looking to become educated on the topic themselves, or maybe dealing with compression-based issues. So that's it for this little video, guys. Hope you guys were able to learn something, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, comments about compression-based issues, or anything for that matter, please be sure to leave a comment below. And for that, we'll wrap it up for this video. I wish you guys all the best and a successful and productive day, and now take care.